in Milan, the fashion capital of the world.
A trip to Milan cannot be complete without some shopping.
In this video, we are going to show you some shopping places in Milan, which includes high-end and reasonable places as well.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are SuprAash. We have come to this beautiful shopping center located right next to the Duomo. It's called Galleria Victoria Emanuel II. It's filled with high-end fashion brands. The luxurious shops in this shopping center make it a famous landmark in Milan. It's so luxurious that even McDonald's was expelled from here in 2012 to make way for a second Prada outlet.
Even if you don't plan to buy anything here, it is worth visiting to do some window shopping.
Close to the Duomo, you have a lot of shopping places. We went to a H&M shop which was right in front of Duomo.
So we are now at La Reine Center, which is the best department store that offers refreshment and amazing views of Duomo.
If you want to check out Duomo, you can have a look at the link in the description down below.
You can see a lot of brands around here, quite high-end brands we must say, but this is just the ground floor. We will also go around this mall and see what else it has.
They have a lot of Easter themed crockery. We bought some Italian chocolates and biscotti that has chocolate filling between the biscuits. You see, this is how it's gonna look. For those of you who are new to our channel, we usually make travel videos in Europe and informational videos on life as an expat in Belgium.
If these topics are interesting for you, please do consider subscribing to our channel.
We have stopped to eat lunch. This is a tomato soup with cheese in it. I'm gonna try it out and let's see how it tastes. It's nice.
This is gnocchi with tomato and cheese in it. And the next dish what we have ordered is Alfredo, which has cheese, mushrooms and chicken. And I will now try it and see how is it. Usually I like this, it's my favorite. It's really nice, it's yummy. I'll try the gnocchi as well. This is also good, but I'm not really fan of tomato based things. So for me, this is better than that one.
We are now in Brera District. Brera District has a lot of restaurants and cafes.
Brera District is the place to be in Milan if you're shopping for jewelry and antiques. It is also known as the design district and has attracted fashion and design lovers from around the globe looking for bohemian boutiques and indie concept stores.
In Brera District, we can see in every restaurant outside that they have kept some food like a sample food that you know what you're going to, which is really a very different concept and very interesting one that we have seen so far.
We would love to hear what you thought about our video, so do let us know in the comments down below.
And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.